A recent fashion study revealed something shocking. 78% of women over 50 abandon wide-leg jeans after just one wear, not because the jeans don't fit, but because they styled them wrong. And here's the devastating part. That same study found that when styled correctly, wide-leg denim makes women look up to 10 pounds slimmer and 3 inches taller instantly. 10 pounds. 3 inches. From one styling adjustment. Welcome to Golden Chic Life. If you've ever looked at wide-leg jeans and thought, I love these, but I have no idea what to wear with them, this video is going to transform everything, because wide-leg jeans are one of the most flattering denim styles for women over 50. They elongate legs, create beautiful movement, and offer unmatched comfort. But only when you understand the rules. In the next 13 minutes, I'm breaking down the biggest wide-leg jeans mistakes women over 50 make and exactly how to fix them. And that mistake at number 7, it has nothing to do with clothing, but it's quietly ruining every outfit you own. Let's dive in. Mistake number 1, pairing volume with volume. Here's where most women go wrong immediately. You put on your wide-leg jeans and then you reach for an oversized tunic, a long, flowy cardigan, or a baggy sweater. It feels comfortable. But here's the brutal truth. When you pair volume on the bottom with volume on top, you create a shapeless, blocky silhouette that adds visual weight and erases your waistline completely. This is the number 1 styling mistake with wide-leg jeans over 50. Without definition, without shape, your outfit has nowhere for the eye to land. Everything blurs together. What works? Fitted tops with wide-leg bottoms. The golden rule for styling wide-leg jeans after 50 is this: balance volume with structure. Try a tailored button-down shirt with a French tuck. Just tuck the front portion into your jeans and leave the back loose. This creates instant waist, definition. Or choose a fitted wrap blouse that cinches gently at the waist, a lightweight sweater with subtle darts, even a cropped top that ends right at your hip bone. These styles create visual contrast. They show your shape. And suddenly, those wide-leg jeans start doing exactly what they're designed to do: elongate your legs and make you look taller and slimmer. This is how fashion influencers over 50 style denim. They understand proportion. Now let's talk about the detail that's making you look shorter than you actually are. Mistake number 2, the wrong hemline. The hemline of your wide-leg jeans can either elongate your entire body or chop you off at the knees. If your jeans are too long, dragging on the ground or bunching at your ankles, you instantly lose inches off your height. Your legs look shorter. Your silhouette looks sloppy. Wide-leg jeans need a clean, uninterrupted vertical line from hip to floor. When that line crumples or bunches, everything collapses visually. What works? The perfect hem length. Your jeans should skim the top of your shoe, not drag, not bunch. Just graze. If you're wearing flats, that means your hem hits just below your ankle bone. If you're wearing a low heel, you can go slightly longer, but the fabric should never touch the ground. Here's a pro styling tip. Own 2 pairs of wide-leg jeans hemmed to different lengths. One for flats, one for heels. This is why celebrities always look perfectly proportioned. Brands like NYDJ, Chico's, and J. Crew offer multiple inseam options specifically for mature women. And if you hem your jeans, always wash them first. Denim shrinks. When your jeans hit that sweet spot just above your shoes, everything flows. Your walk looks graceful. Your legs look endless. Mistake number 3, clunky, bulky footwear. Your jeans fit beautifully. Your top is flattering. But then you glance down, and the whole look feels heavy. That's what happens when you pair wide-leg jeans with chunky sneakers, orthopedic sandals, or thick-soled athletic shoes. Visually, they add bulk exactly where you don't want it. This is one of the fastest ways to look frumpy in wide-leg jeans over 50. Bulky shoes cut off your leg line. They make you appear shorter and heavier. What works? Sleek, supportive, elegant shoes. The best shoes for wide-leg jeans over 50 are refined, structured, and leg-lengthening. Think low-block heels, pointed toe flats, minimal loafers, or sleek ankle boots. These styles add just enough lift without compromising comfort. Here's an insider styling secret. Match your shoe color to your jeans or your skin tone. Nude shoes in a shade close to your skin visually extend your legs. Dark shoes with dark denim keep the line sleek and unbroken. Avoid chunky rubber soles or oversized sneakers. Because when your jeans flow and your shoes follow that line seamlessly, you look intentional. You look expensive. Before we continue, if you're finding value in these tips, hit that subscribe button. Golden Chic Life is dedicated to helping women over 50 dress beautifully and confidently. Just one click. Mistake number 4. No waist definition. Wide leg jeans create beautiful movement, but if there's no definition at your waist, that grace disappears entirely. Women let their tops hang loosely over their jeans with no tuck, no belt, no structure. It feels forgiving, but visually, it creates a boxy, undefined silhouette. Without a defined waist, your outfit loses direction. And when your waistline vanishes under fabric, so does your natural shape. What works? Gentle waist definition. Give the eye something to focus on, and that something is your waist. Start with a half tuck or full tuck. Even tucking in just the front portion creates shape and balances your proportions. Prefer to stay untucked. Choose a slightly cropped top that ends at your hip bone. Another elegant fix? A medium-width belt in a neutral tone. Tan, cognac, black, or ivory. Or look for tops with built-in waist shaping, wrap silhouettes, or gentle peplum hems. You don't need to be a certain size to show your shape. You just need the right design lines. Mistake number 5. Bulky jackets and cardigans. You've styled your wide-leg jeans perfectly. Then the temperature drops and you grab a thick cardigan or puffy jacket. And just like that, your proportions collapse. Bulky outerwear stacks more volume on top of an already voluminous silhouette. You lose your shape completely. This is one of the easiest fashion mistakes that age you after 50. What works? Structured, streamlined layers. The best jackets for women over 50 combine warmth with shape. Try a tailored blazer that hits right at your hip. For colder weather, choose a belted trench coat. Elegant, fluid, and cinched at the waist. Even casual layers can be chic. A cropped denim jacket or a sleek moto-style coat works beautifully. Fabric matters. Look for brushed wool or cotton twill. Avoid puffy quilting or thick fleece. Keep your layers underneath smooth. If your jacket is fitted, don't pile on chunky scarves. Mistake number 6. Distressed or faded. Denim ripped knees. Heavy fading. Frayed hems. These details might look trendy on younger women, but after 50, they rarely flatter. Distressed denim creates visual noise that breaks up the clean line of your jeans. Instead of looking elegant, you risk looking unpolished. What works? Clean, dark, sophisticated denim. The best wide-leg jeans for women over 50 have intentional simplicity. Skip the rips, avoid the bleach. Instead, choose jeans in deep indigo, rich black, or charcoal gray with a smooth, even wash. This kind of denim feels elegant, crisp, and quietly confident. It elongates your silhouette and instantly upgrades even the most casual outfit. If you love contrast, get it through accessories. A soft ivory blouse, a camel trench coat, or gold-tone jewelry. Mistake number 7. oversized, slouchy handbags. You've perfected your jeans. You've nailed the top. But then you grab that oversized floppy shoulder bag, and your proportions fall apart. When you carry a large, slouchy handbag that hits at your hip, it competes directly with the volume of your wide-leg jeans. You're adding bulk exactly where your jeans already flare. What works? Structured, medium-sized handbags. The best handbags for women over 50 are refined and beautifully structured. Look for top-handle bags, compact satchels, or crossbody styles with clean lines. These sit higher on your body, drawing the eye upward. Choose a handbag in a neutral, polished finish: camel, taupe, ivory, or classic black. Accessories matter, not just for function, but for proportion and elegance. Mistake number 8. Covering every inch. You've styled everything beautifully, but somehow your outfit still feels heavy. This happens when everything is covered with no lightness or breathing space near the bottom. A little ankle goes a long way. It adds breathing space, movement, and femininity. What works? Strategic ankle exposure. If your jeans are full length, choose shoes with a low vamp or ankle strap. Think pointed toe mules or sleek slingbacks. You can also try cropped wide-leg jeans that hit just above the ankle bone. These are especially flattering for petite women. When there's just a bit of space between your jeans and the floor, everything breathes better. Mistake number 9. Treating wide-leg jeans like loungewear. Wide-leg jeans are comfortable, and that's where the danger starts. We throw on a basic tee, gym sneakers, maybe a hoodie. The result? An outfit that looks thrown together, not styled. When wide-leg jeans are styled like joggers, their elegance disappears completely. What works? Effortless intention. Wide-leg jeans don't need to be dressed up to look elevated. They just need to be styled with purpose. Pair them with a crisp white shirt and loafers, add a tailored blazer, layer a silk scarf. Style after 50 isn't about perfection. It's about intention. It's about showing up for yourself every day with clothing that makes you feel confident. Bringing it all together. 9 mistakes that sabotage your wide-leg jeans and 9 solutions that transform them. Balance volume with structure. Get your hemline right. Choose sleek shoes. Define your waist. Layer with streamlined outerwear. Choose clean denim. Carry a structured handbag. Show a little ankle. And treat your jeans with intention. 78% of women over 50 give up on wide-leg jeans. But you're not part of that statistic anymore. Which mistake have you been making? Drop a comment and let me know. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do it now. We're building a community of women who refuse to fade into the background. In my next video, I'm showing you how to build a 10-piece capsule wardrobe for women over 50. You won't want to miss it. Until then, remember, style isn't about age, it's about knowing yourself and showing up with intention every single day. Thank you for being here. I'll see you in the next video. Take care, beautiful.